Good day. Our thesis title is Sustaining Academic Excellence, Addressing Classroom Shortage Through Strategic Improvement in Ilocos Sur Polytechnic State College. For the introduction of the study, the classroom shortage at Ilocos Sur Polytechnic State College has emerged as a major challenge due to the continuous rise in student enrollment. Overcrowded classrooms, limited learning space, and scheduling conflict negatively impact student engagement, teaching efficiently, and overall academic performance. This issue reflects a broader problem faced by many Philippine public schools. Caused by rapid student population growth, limited funding, and delayed infrastructure development. Addressing classroom scarcity is essential to maintaining ISPSC's academic standards and ensuring equitable access to quality education. Adequate classrooms contribute to better learning conditions, including proper ventilation, lighting, comfort, and space for student participation. To manage this challenge, ISPSC must adopt strategic improvement efforts such as infrastructure compensation, optimize use of existing facilities, development of multipurpose room, and integration of blending learning. Long-term solution will require effective resource management, financial prioritization, and collaboration with government and private partners. Through sustainable planning and innovative strategies, ISPSC can improve its learning environment, support student success, and continue fulfilling its mission as a leading educational institution in northern.
The problem, Ilocos Sur Polytechnic State College classroom storage and its effects on maintained academic quality are the subject of this study specially and to respond to the following queries. Number 1. How many classrooms are available and being used at ISPSC right now? Number 2. What the impact does the lack of classroom